Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. I'm really pretty excited to unbox this one because I never owned a car like this, the Hamburger behind it. So this is a 1/64 scale and this is a Toyota Town Ace Hamburger car. So I don't know, maybe it's something specific to Japan, maybe something famous in Japan if I'm not wrong. But fine, okay, this one is 499. Think I pretty much bought it for 450 or something. I bought this one from think okay, let me see. Yeah, I bought it from Hamleys. Sorry, I bought it for 470 or something because I had some kind of discount coupon. So if you buy it in Amazon, you can buy it for 450 or below that, somewhere between the 420 to 450 range. So try Amazon once. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, this looks really funny, and the good thing is they have some kind of fiber for headlights, and the logo is really well printed. The hamburger is really big. I thought it is going to be a bit smaller than this. And this tray is actually plastic. The hamburger is also plastic. I don't think you can't able to remove this. So the wheels are a little bit different than the normal ones. But this is basic. It's like, these wheels are basic to the main lines. Either this or there is another set of wheels which you can find in this, main lines. Tomica burger. Enjoy it. So initially I thought this was a fantasy car, but then I saw the name it mentioned as Toyota. Then I thought like, okay, we need to buy this one, so I bought it. The detailing in the hamburger is really nice. This looks really cute as well. You can see the interior. The color is really flashy. Let's see if it has any suspension. This one does have suspension. I thought it is not going to have. So the chassis is actually made of plastic. This is not metal or anything. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it doesn't roll really that well, but the wheels does wobble. But so I'm not going to play with this. But I personally love this one. It's kind of cute. And that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.